481 agents, infinitely more for you. Good job. You clicked on the video. Today you're going to learn about AI. I'm going to tell you a bit about the history of it, and then we're going to go into what you actually need. What is this? You're going to find out what AI is, what AI is not, how it works, the different kinds of AI that exist. Finally, we're going to obviously discuss why it matters, the real world applications of AI currently, and what the current/future state of AI is. Before we begin with all of this, talk history. Very important. AI was not born in 2020. AI is not ChatGPT. It was the term artificial intelligence was coined by a group of researchers that had a meeting in 1956, and together their goal was to simulate human intelligence through systems, and they coined the term artificial intelligence. In the early 1950s, this was very much systematic and symbolic. It didn't do all that crazy things yet, besides the fact that it was able to systematically follow a system step by step. We move into the 90s. In the 90s, we got a little bit of a cold winter in the beginning. A cold AI winter, nothing really changed too much. A little bit of optimization here, but the progression was not linear in a sense. In 1997 though, IBM, which you've definitely seen them before, made this thing. That is what beat Kasparov in 1997. That was the first interpretation to the public what a machine could potentially help us do. In the sense also be better than humans, right? Because this Kasparov guy was really good at chess and tried beating Stockfish. All right. After the 90s, we go into the modern era of AI. In 2012, we proved one thing. With more data, with more compute, neural networks will build the foundation of modern AI today. 2017, Transformer was made. Google builds new system which helps the AI think better. That's the way that we are now in 2020 to 25, we're able to get systems and workflows and chatbots that are able to process data, are able to have some reinforcement learning, and are basically able to give us the outputs that we require today. So yeah, long story short, now we're here in since 2022 when everybody had ChatGPT and the world is over, AI is gonna kill us. But hey, we're still here, we're still living, we're still kicking. 481 agents, infinitely more for you. So history aside, what is AI? AI is a pattern recognition technology. It is able to get data and transform it and analyze it. Three kinds of data: mathematical, audio, video, text, and code as well. AI is software that likely predicts the outcome of the word that you put out, of the code, of the data that you interpret. You have to think of AI as you searching things on Google. The way that Google is able to give you your results is because Google analyzes the word that you placed within it, and it tries to predict everything that comes after. This is how search results give you the results that you actually need. Back in the day when Google and Yahoo and all this was still in its infancy, Yahoo would actually not give people the results of the search inquiries that they were putting out there. They thought, okay, that would help. Funny little side story. Anyways, how does AI work? Very, very simply put, you have something, you show the thing, you implement a data point, you train the model gives an output, so in that sense it tries to predict from what you've taught it and the data that you've given it, and then finally it will try to improve. Very simple 4 steps, and it basically repeats this every time. And there's subcategories within all of these steps, but to keep it simple: data input, learning, output, improvement. What kinds of AI do we have nowadays? We currently are looking mostly at 4 different kinds of AI that are working. We have large language models. All of these you should know by now. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Opus, Anthropic, DeepMind, DeepSeek, all of these. There's a lot of them. Then you have narrow models that have been created to basically fix one very simple narrow problem, and they can do that to a degree of perfection, basically being single task focused precision rather than a question answer kind of a thing, and all-knowing. We differ LLMs from multimodal models, as multimodal models are able to interpret multiple different kinds of data in the same request, whereas LLMs would only take in one data at a time and be able to process that. Finally, for 801 agents, infinitely more for you, there is agents. What does this mean? Check out our last video. What is AI not? This is an important one. AI is not conscious. AI is not human. AI is not intelligent. And AI is not emotional. It's not perfect. It is basically a predictive answering machine. It is not here to replace humans. It is not in any way, sense or form intelligent. It doesn't understand its environment like humans interpret and comprehend. It is able to extract data and give it back in an upgraded manner. So why does this matter? You're asking yourself probably, like, Mateus, what am I gonna do now? Well, you're gonna save yourself some time, which is all the resource you got in your life. With AI, this becomes ever clear that we are not meant to be doing repetitive work. We're not meant to be encyclopedias. We're not meant to know it all. We as humans are here to be curious, compassionate, and most importantly, critical thinking. So remove your repetitive work, be consistent in your work, and inhumanly fast with your work, and boost the potential of your work exponentially. This is why it matters. You need to understand this is but an extension of your human capabilities, and that ends when you start. So AI is efficiency. You cut waste and you give intent. How can we apply AI in the real world? Some real world applications. AI is there for support. It offers a triage of ability, as I said, data collection, output, and reinforcement learning, where the real problems become solutions in the digital world. You apply this in the real world by looking at what am I doing I could be making more efficient. Think I need to share something with a team member and I really wish I could tell him like how this meeting was, and I don't really think my English is the best, and that person actually is not even English, and English is the only... Man, why did you not already use AI and let it summarize your meeting and transcribe it, and you were drinking a coffee while doing it? Start scheduling with AI, start summarizing, start learning with AI. Apply it within your digitalization of self, of business, of your professional abilities. Use it as a tool, just like your phone. Last and most importantly, where are we now versus where are we going to be in the future? Currently, AI is everywhere. Everybody tries to say, okay, we use AI this, AI that, a lot of blibble blabble, a lot of is this a bubble, a lot of is this Terminator, and a lot of money being made in businesses. So AI is not gonna go anywhere. It's been here before I was born, plus 50 years. So before my dad even made a dollar. Anyways, this is the way. You use your multimodal models to try to make your processes and your workflows more efficient. This is where we're at right now. Businesses are trying to find out, okay, how can we use AI? Is it even possible to do? A lot of assumptions out there and not a lot of signal. So keep the signal to what the thing is, it's a system, it's a workflow, it's a step 1 to step 8, and it's done and it starts again. It's not anything else. In the future, maybe we're going to get everything. You and me, and nobody knows. The thing is, AI hasn't changed really since 2017. We're just upgrading. It's like saying the Red Bull has changed. No, you just made a new flavor of Red Bull, and maybe you made it sugar-free. As in, the compute is costing less and less and less and less and less, and that will progressively get better. So in the future, there's going to be full agentic systems. You have to really put yourself outside of the shoes of normal life, as nobody could have predicted a phone that holds your passport or none of that. In the futures, agents will basically do all of the communications between companies, and even when it comes to autonomous workflows, all of that will be AI systems. All of that will be AI systems. And what is very important, and as we're in Europe, we definitely keep the human in the loop. We want to ensure safety, guardrails, and ethical adoption within AI. Obviously, just like fire, it needs to be wielded. Right now, we got AI everywhere, cuzzo. From your phone unlocking, to your email writing, to your videos that you slop watch. It's inevitable, almost. There's just no Apple logo on it yet, and a price tag that you can't resist, but it's way too high. So we have the tools today. Tomorrow, we're going to have the agents using the tools. So the future is now. Will you follow along, or will you be left behind? Kill the myth! AI predicts. And 481 agents, we got your back. We create your weapons to go into battle for the future. Your future, infinitely more for you. 481 agents, infinitely more for you.